How to play Rush Extreme without music. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Rush Extreme and want to enjoy the game without background music, then firstly go ahead and open up the game on your device and wait for the game to load up. Once you're inside this main menu, tap on the gear icon at the top left. This will open settings. And now from the settings tab, toggle off the button right next to music and sound. Once you have these two options turned off, you can play the game without any music or sound effect. Now another easiest way to turn off sound is to simply go ahead and lower the volume of your device that you're using and just play the game. And right after you do that, you will be able to turn off sound effect and play the game in silence. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.